Hey guys, it's Katie from the Crafty Shark and welcome back to our channel. It's been at least 3 or 4 years since we've posted a DIY on here, but with everyone quarantining at home, we figured that now would be the perfect time to get crafty. So today we're going to be making DIY strawberry cheesecake ice cream. And y'all, this stuff is seriously so good. It'll go perfectly with that TV show that you've been binge watching for the past few weeks. So without further ado, let's get this party started. You're going to need electric beaters or a stand-up mixer, a carton of heavy whipping cream, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and some vanilla extract. Go ahead and pour yourself 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then whip it real good. I started mine on medium, so at about a 4 or a 6, and whip it until it's nice and fluffy and has that thick, creamy consistency where it's not dripping off the whisk. Of course, go ahead and open that can of sweetened condensed milk, and we're gonna put the whole can in there. I decided to go ahead and put mine on a medium to high speed to whisk up my mixture and get it to that nice, thick, creamy consistency that you're gonna want. And while that's whisking, you're gonna wanna go ahead and add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract just to kind of give you that nice vanilla base to make whatever flavor of ice cream you want. Ta-da! Look at that gorgeous mixture, y'all. Now let's tackle those strawberries. I took a cup of them, chopped them up, and put them into a saucepan with a tablespoon of white sugar and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now the fun part, combining everything together. So go ahead and scoop your mixture out of the bowl you were mixing it in, and you're just going to want to put it into a medium-sized bowl. As you can see, that's about how much I was able to make, so about enough for 2 people serving wise, but feel free to double, triple, whatever you want to do with the recipe. Then go ahead and shake it out, get the air bubbles out, and grab your cheesecake. So I bought mine at the freezer section, and just took it out and crumbled it into little bite-sized pieces. And there you have it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching and being so patient with us after all of this time. Haley and I love making videos for y'all and hope you guys really enjoy your ice cream. Feel free to turn it into whatever you want. Really, once you have that base, kind of vanilla ice cream, you can make any other flavor, not just strawberry cheesecake. Some other ones that I really liked were cookie dough and mint Oreo. Really good. Really, the possibilities are endless. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and please stay healthy, stay safe, and of course, stay crafty. Bye!